It's Wacky Races Stage 21 with guest commentator, Ballon d'Or winner Lionel Messigician.
Hello, is it me you're looking for? 'Cause I'm Lionel. Wayne the Ogre's getting back up to speed again.
Yes, I'm back.
Backwards, more like. And Jessie Lingard's proving she's quite valuable in the box too. But here come Newcastle. It's neck and neck for Dumb and Dummit. Arsen's sex bomb is causing damage again today. Oh, but Welsh Xavi has finally found the target with a shot of his own. At least, I think that's Welsh Xavi. Sunless Land's relegation fight is Willem Dafoe's Vietnam. And he's responded with a hat-trick of napalms. Forget Platoon, this is more like Black Swan.
I'm going to call the RSPCA.
Oh, and Juliette Lescott has finally got Gaston Villa onto the winner's podium.
Alan, wherefore art thou, Alan?
West Ham are steaming through the pack here. Chelsea Gus Company failing to get past the Catmobile today. But it's roadkill in Stoke.
I'm going to call the RSPCA.
Can anything separate these two drivers? Oh, Robert Hoof can.
Hoof, let the foxes out. Hoof, 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 hoof. Aubameyang. I don't believe it. Me not winning brings great shame to Africa.
Yaya is ticked off.
Shit, yeah, Osama bin Laden.
And Trim Howard's ticks are paying off. Yaya making a habit of not winning lately. Oh, well, the Saints may be marching in to the championship with 1 win in 10. But they've swatted the Hornets aside today.
I'm going to call the RSPCA.
Arsenal not spend FC and Nigel Leicester City take the checkered flag.
This weekend, compete against me in a free Fantasy League challenge at fanfeud.co.uk. Liverpool versus Man United. Pick 5 players, most points wins. Here is my team. Win? The winner gets £30 free credit. Pick, play, win. Thanks for watching.